Binance, Revolut, Robinhood, Crypto.com. There are many crypto apps or exchanges out there, and all of them have their own fees for buying and selling crypto, but most of them also got hidden spreads that ends up giving us users less crypto for our money each time we trade. I have been in crypto for about 7 years and made quite a few videos over the years covering the cheapest places with the lowest fees. But there is now a new crypto platform or app that allows us regular everyday people to buy crypto at a 0% trading fee and the lowest spread in the entire world. So in this video I thought I would tell you about this new app, how to use it, how to send a dollar or euro or stable coins from a bank or Revolut or our crypto wallet, show the fee comparison, and give you all who are watching here priority access to start using this new app right away. But keep in mind that nothing in my videos are financial advice. This new crypto app I'm talking about is called Neverless, and it's made by 3 former Revolut executives. They saw my YouTube video comparing different crypto exchange fees and reached out to me showing their new platform. I of course thought it sounded way too good to be true at first, but after we had a 1-hour discussion and looked at all the fees, comparing numbers, Neverless is what it says. It's better. We get more Bitcoin here on Neverless than if we buy on Binance or anywhere else. But I thought I would first show you how the Neverless app works. The Neverless app is made to be the easiest crypto buying app in the world, so it's very straightforward on how to use. The Neverless app have been live on the Apple Store or Google Play Store since November 2023, but they only allow a few users in every now and then until they have their public release during this summer or fall 2024. I don't know exactly when. But the Neverless team told me that anyone watching here this video, have the privilege to join and use the Neverless app right away. The only thing you need to do is to get the Neverless app on your phone, choose a username, and then leave a comment in this video including your Neverless username. And the Neverless team will look through the comments in this video and enable your whitelist access into the app. Whilst inside the app, it's very straightforward how to use and how to buy crypto. There are several deposit options, everything from stablecoins using a few different chains to bank transfers with euro or dollars. And they will also include Apple Pay and Google Pay deposit methods that will become available in August. Here on Neverless there are no deposit fees, no conversion fees, or no withdrawal fees except for withdrawal gas fees when withdrawing crypto on chain. The Neverless team also told me that every user who gets the Neverless app, leaves a comment with the Neverless username, and also deposits at least $100 worth of funds into their account will get a $10 welcome bonus, no strings attached. We don't need to do anything else than that. We don't need to hold it for a certain while or trade. We can simply send over 101 USDT on Arbitrum or Avalanche chain and we'll be able to get the $10 welcome bonus during July 2024. After July there will certainly be some other joining method to Neverless that I will leave a link to right here and down in the description below as well. Swiping right here in the Neverless app we can see Neverless special earning feature called Strategies, which is their way of taking advantage of market differences like arbitrage to earn their users passive income. Now this earning feature is one example of Neverless being unique by being transparent, because they explain exactly right here in the app next to the feature how it works, what it means, and the risks involved. Usually when we see earning features on other crypto exchanges or apps, there are no mentions of the risks involved, even though the risks are still there. On Neverless, the interest or yield or passive income from this Strategies earning feature can vary depending on how well this product works. But this earnings feature is also one of Neverless' main ways of earning their revenue as a company, so it's definitely in their interest of it performing well. So Neverless combo of being the cheapest platform to use, being transparent, and having an extremely qualified team behind it from Revolut makes me think that Neverless could become the next Robinhood but for crypto, potentially seeing mass adoption, because I mean anyone who buys or sells crypto wants to use the lowest fees possible and get the most out of their trades, and that they only currently get on a Neverless. As of now, US citizens are not able to use the Neverless app due to regulations. Both iPhone and Android users are able to get the app and use the earning strategies feature right away, but it's only iPhone users that are able to trade as of now. But I think there will be an update soon that enables Android users to use trade as well. So let's take a look at the crypto exchange fee comparisons. Here we can see the trading fee differences mentioned by Neverless themselves, but this does not take into account the spread on all these exchanges that needs to be added on top of the trading fee. And the spread on some of these other exchanges can be several percentages high. We can clearly see this difference when comparing the amount of Bitcoin we get looking at 3 different crypto buying platforms at once. So this is a snapshot taken at the exact same time, and we can see that we get a lot more Bitcoin on Neverless compared with Crypto.com, for example, when trying to buy for the same amount of dollars. And this is due to hidden spreads or simply other set market rates that we users don't know about on these other exchanges. What is also impressive by Neverless is that they can handle these large liquidity buys like $10,000 at once and still offer more Bitcoin than on Binance and all other platforms. This also shows that Neverless is not only for us people that buy small amounts, but also favors big whales that want to buy huge amounts. Let's look at how we can send dollar, euro or stablecoins to Neverless. The easiest way is to use a crypto wallet and send stablecoins. In the Neverless app, we simply go to Deposit, Blockchain Transfer, choose any of these stablecoins, and choose either the Arbitrum or Avalanche network since they are the cheapest to use. Copy the deposit wallet address, then we open up our crypto wallet like a MetaMask wallet, make sure it's set to the right network. So if we want to send on the Arbitrum network, we have to first change our MetaMask wallet to the Arbitrum network, and then we can send the stablecoin to the deposit wallet address on Neverless. If you've never done this before, try sending a small amount first to see that you have done everything right. If we want to make a bank transfer either from our bank or from Revolut, we simply click here on bank transfer, select the currency we want to deposit. I live within Europe, so I choose Euro, and then in my Swedish bank I simply make a foreign payment and copy and paste in the details like this. Since I will be sending Euro, it will be a SEPA transfer. And don't forget to copy and paste the reference text in your payment text section, because this is what Neverless need to know to deposit the funds to your specific account. If this is our first time performing a bank transfer to Neverless, I suggest trying the smallest amount of €10 first to verify that we have set everything up correctly before sending larger amounts. If we want to use Revolut, we simply add a new contact with the same bank details. I send €1 and do not forget to add the reference text before sending it. Now, if you have some questions about Neverless, make sure to leave a comment or let me know what you think about their app and features. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.